Hi guys, today I'd like to share with you a quick case study as to why blogging is absolutely essential if you want your website to perform in the search engine. Now, the reason I'm sharing this case study is because we do a fair bit of research into obviously social media, what works on the web, how effective websites are, SEO and stuff like that. And we know from our own experience and from our research that fewer than 1 in 20, that's right, less than 5% of small businesses actually blog on a regular basis. Now this gives you a fantastic opportunity to rise above your competitors if you are a local business serving a local market. But even if you work on a regional basis, there's still a lot you can do. So the case study comes about where a couple of years ago somebody came to us and said, my website's been stuck on page 3 of Google for absolutely ages and I just don't know what to do to move it. I've done a bit of SEO, put some keywords and stuff according to a video I watched on YouTube, done some of that, but it just doesn't seem to want to move. So we took a look at his website and to be honest, the SEO was fairly good. We did a little bit of tweaking, but one of the things we suggested was that you need to write some blog posts around your content and start sharing those blog posts out on your social media. Now, he didn't quite get this. He said, well, I'm already putting stuff on Instagram and Facebook and, do Twitter here and there. And I said, well, you sell to the business market. Putting stuff on Facebook, unless you're paying for advertising these days, is usually a waste of time. Instagram, pretty much the same thing. It's a consumer channel, by and large. So I said, you need to write some blog posts and you need to get it out there far and wide. So off he went. He came in, we did some training, we showed him how to write blogs on his website because he was using WordPress, which has got blogging software built in. He went away and I said, you need to do this 5 times a month at best, more if you can. You don't need to write loads and loads of words, but you need to put in information about what you do, about projects you're doing, latest company updates, before and after photographs of the work that you do, etc. And he went away and did it. And 10 weeks later, his website was at the top half of the first page of Google. Now, to be honest, we did some SEO, a little bit. He'd already done some SEO, but the strength of it was the fact that Google was able to latch onto this new content on his website that was more recent, more current, and more directly aimed at his market than when compared to most of his competitors. His competitors didn't write so much on their websites. Some of them never had. And they were only on the first page of Google because they'd been there a long time. So the key thing is this. If you want your website to do well in the search engines, you can SEO the living daylights out of it. But you absolutely have to write blog posts if you want your website to perform properly compared to your competition. And the reason I say that is because the Google search algorithm and how they rank websites is constantly shifting. But if you've got more consistent, better content aimed at your target market with key phrases around your topic and around your products and services thrown in, I promise you, your website will outperform your competitors, even if you don't do great SEO on the site. So, I really hope that's useful. If you want help with this stuff, please get in touch. The number's up there and you'll find it at the end of the video. If you want help with getting to grips with SEO, search engine optimization on your website, please let us know. We have a great service which works incredibly well for clients. Just talk to us. Anyway, hope you found that useful. Like I said, please like, share, subscribe. But thanks for watching and bye for now.